Hi, I am Michael Hollins, and I am the founding attorney for Hollins Bankruptcy Law Office, where we practice bankruptcy law and we also deal with credit repair. So, if you would like any information on those things, please head on over to hollinsbankruptcy.com and get some good information. Now, on to today's topic. Today, I would like to answer the question: does bankruptcy stop a wage garnishment? And the answer is yes, in most cases. Now, wage garnishment happens. Uh, how a wage garnishment happens is when a court issues an order that will require your employer or sometimes the bank to withhold money and give it to that particular person or any entity that you may owe money to. That typically happens and can happen with any debtor that sues you and they win and they get the garnishment order. Now, things are a little different when it comes to child support, student loans, and taxes. They don't have to sue you to get a wage garnishment order. Those things can be garnished after some time of being behind or delinquent on your payment. However, back to just normal debts for credit cards, lawsuits, for maybe back owed insurance. Sometimes, if there was an accident and there was liability situations like that, then absolutely you can be taken to court and your wages could be garnished. If you find yourself in that situation, then bankruptcy may be a solution for you, and that is in that it is one way to fight the wage garnishment. Now, as soon as you file, I'll just use Chapter 7, which is we call a fresh start. As soon as you file a Chapter 7 bankruptcy, the garnishment must stop. An automatic stay is put in place, and no one can collect from you anymore. No one can contact you or attempt to collect from you via phone, via mail, email, and yes, even the garnishment has to stop, as well as if your bank account has been garnished as well. So the answer to the question is bankruptcy an answer to stopping a wage garnishment? The answer is absolutely yes. Now, what are the exceptions to that? Well, I mentioned them earlier. When it comes to child support or any domestic order, whether that's alimony, student loans, taxes, these are things that if you have a garnishment in place, bankruptcy will not automatically stop those things. However, other debts and anything outside of the debts that I just mentioned, you absolutely can file bankruptcy and those garnishments will stop. Now, if you'd like any information about wage garnishments or maybe like to contact Hollins Bankruptcy about your personal situation, please head on over to hollinsbankruptcy.com or give us a call at 844 debt free. That's 844-233-2837. You can set up a time to talk with the attorney, that's me, and that consultation, the initial 30-minute consultation, is absolutely free. Again, my name is Michael Hollins, and I hope that you got some tips and some good information on how bankruptcy might be a solution for you or someone you may know when it comes to wage garnishments. Thank you again for listening.